Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Guy. So, do you think your network is secure? Think again. Today, I'm going to show you how Kali Linux, one of the most powerful penetration testing tools, can expose security flaws that you might never suspect. Whether you are a cybersecurity pro or just getting started, this demo will change the way you think about security. Now, what is Kali Linux? If you're new to our channel, Kali Linux is like the Swiss Army knife for ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals. It is preloaded with powerful tools like Metasploit, Nmap, Wireshark, etc. If you go to that site here, see, yeah, you have a bunch, of tools preloaded. It allows you to stimulate real-world attacks to strengthen system defenses. But what does that actually look like? Now, if you're curious, buckle up. Let's get started. Learn cybersecurity in no time. Now, let's just dive into a real demo. So now we are trying. What we are going to try to do, we're gonna try to run a basic penetration test using Metasploit. This tool, help ethical hackers identify vulnerabilities in the network before attackers do. So we are going. Our target machine today gonna be Metasploitable. So if you don't know what that is, you are new to our channels. Please go back to our previous videos, especially the operating system playlist, and then you're gonna just see how to use Metasploitable. Metasploitable is very important because you use it as a target machine, so you're not harming anybody. You're just practicing. To just get started, let's just open our terminal right here. So let's see, it is loading. So right now, what we are going to type, we're gonna let me drag it so for better visibility for you. MSF console and hit enter. So the MFS console, is like, to start Metasploitable. Sometimes this may take a little bit depending on the speed of your computer. All right, so Metasploitable is up and running right now. So this basic penetration test, using Metasploitable, it's like, a way, ethical hackers identify vulnerabilities in the network before the attackers do. So please watch closely. So we are going to type ox. See here, Metasploitable is up and running. All right, oxy. Oh, there we go. Yeah, oxy. Oh, yeah. So this is the module for scanner. Scanner. Make sure that I don't have any typo here. Scanner. Scanner. Yeah, my computer is so slow that when I make a typo, I'm just too fast for the computer. All right, post scan. And then we're gonna try to scan TCP. Do you want to use, yeah, I'm going to say yes. All right. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna set our host, set our host to the target IP, which is in my case is 10.0.2.4. Hit enter, and then we can hit 1. All right, as you can see here, with that few comments, attackers, they can actually see, all the port that you have open into your system. So what's going on, etc. Now you might wonder, how people gonna find your IP? Oh, that's very easy. If someone ping your domain name, they can actually find your IP address. Now, to just keep it simple, I'm going to press Control C to stop it. So as you can see that I have a bunch of port that are open, and then yeah, this is not good. So So as you can see, like the tool exposed like weak points and then open ports. Now, the key takeaway I want to, the reason why I want to just make the video is that, you're seeing how Kali Linux works, like, how easy it is, for people to just find open ports and vulnerabilities. But now what you need to do as a security professional. So number one is close unused ports. Close unused ports. If you do, if you see that this is port 22, this probably for logging, admin logging, port 23. All those ports. These are the ports that attacker gonna use to get into your system. So now, what you need to do, close unused ports. A port number is like here, the door at your house. What do you do when you're going to bed? You lock it. So, and then use strong authentication. Make sure that they have you have multi-factor authentication for admin privilege, and then update, patch regularly. Keep your software up to date. So, you can just stay vigilant, and test your security. Now, cybersecurity isn't just for experts. Everyone needs to protect the digital world. So if you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think is the biggest cybersecurity threat today? I would like to see to hear your thought. I know that people talk about AI and other things. So what do you think is the biggest cybersecurity threat today? Now, until next time, happy learning.